You know what's really great about this time of day is that it's this time of day, and it feels like this time of day. Yeah. Thank goodness for that time change. Just drink the champagne from the bottle.
We used to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause. Oh, 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 oh.
Am I cool now? This is another reason I work out. What did you just ask me?
What do you always do first at the
What's the
gym?
first thing I do at the gym? I do about a half hour, 40 minutes of cardio, 15-degree incline at about 2.6 speed. I think that's miles per hour, I'm not sure. And then I do a shit ton of free weights. I love the effect it's having on my kid. Every day she's like, Mommy, I'm gonna do my yoga. It's gonna be fun when you get to go with me to the gym, right? Yep. What?
You're not thin.
That's fine. I don't have to be thin because my mental health is on point, okay?
I'll get water on this, clean all of that sticky stuff off,
Right.
then I'll fold this,
Okay.
then put it on one of those things. Okay?
So basically, you could have just said, hey, Mom, I'm going to clean the floor, which I'm all about. Go ahead. Have fun. You're doing a great job, kid.
I just...
Do you want to mop my bedroom floor next?
No.
Shit.
Clean the sticky stuff off.
You really are a star human being, Lane.
Oh my God, look at that!
That is filthy. Getting shit doneer. Stunner.
Then at your room, our room, is Grandma's room.
Did somebody pay you today? Can I get some of this energy? Holy shit. This kid.
Wait until I'm done to get in here.
Okay, I'll wait.
'Cause it's
You want to do the laundry next, or is it where you draw the line?
Of course.
Who are you and what did you do with my child?
You're my assistant.
I don't want to be the assistant cleaner. I didn't have that on my itinerary today to clean the house. Yes, you can have that.
I'm dancing while I do this.
Do you want some music, maybe? I gave in, I guess I'll assistant clean because I got nothing better to do. Do you want music?
No.
No? Okay, we'll just
I
Yo.
don't want any music.
I don't need to be swept. Are you really even cleaning at this point? Are you, Lane? Stop! There's dust all over the fucking. What's that do?
Cleans wall.
Quick question. We've been here for, lived here for like, I don't know, almost 7 years. Almost 7 years. And they did not paint before we moved in. So, like, the walls are real dingy. Are there wall cleaners of the world? Like, I know there's painters, but is there somebody I can hire to come scrub down my walls? Because it's really labor intensive. I'm not having you scrub down the walls. It's labor intensive, and I may have the time, but I don't have the patience for that. So if there's anybody out there that has an answer for me, that'd be really great, because I want my walls cleaned.
See on your duster.
I want it, like, scrubbed with bleach, Slane, and maybe get it prepped and ready for a paint job, because...
Let me get some more.
No water goes in that. Oh, Jesus. Do you have an off button? Off, Lane. Turn it off. Enough cleaning. Did you go to the street pharmacist or something?